Hi, I'm Dr. Tal Cohen I'm a trainer in R3 seminars. I'm from Portland, Oregon. I'm the program director of a New Way clinic, a clinic that integrates functional medicine together with regenerative medicine. And I'm very honored to be a part of the R3 training groups and facilities. My background is in integrative medicine. I did my Master's of Science in Functional Medicine and Human Nutrition and my doctorate in acupuncture and Oriental Medicine, where I focused my doctorate in integrating the Eastern and Western approach together. I focus mostly on integrating the regenerative medicine with lifestyle medicine, nutritional medicine, and supplements and herbal compounds that will take your regenerative medicine practice to the next level in terms of getting better and faster results, as well as educating providers on how to better practice regenerative medicine.